Hey guys, it's Colette
and Charlie
from Vera-Bee, and we're on week 2 now of Plastic-Free July. So we are doing eco-friendly cleaning products. So we've picked a couple of favourite products for today to show you. So I'm going to start off with a little science experiment. Exciting.
Yay! She's been practicing.
Yeah, so it's our toilet bombs, which are one of our best sellers, and for good reason, because they just freshen underneath the water line in the toilet. So they're great for when people say, oh, I'm just, going to pop over, or just in between a good thorough clean. They just freshen up the toilet. And they come in either tea tree, essential oil, or lemon. And I just wanted to show you how they fizz, because they are very good.
We should be wearing safety goggles for this part, shouldn't we? But we haven't got any.
Lab coat.
We haven't got any, so
It's just
we'll take our chances.
Yeah. So imagine this is obviously the toilet bowl. This is the toilet bomb. Pop it in your toilet.
Oh.
And then it just fizzes away, and it'll keep working like that. And it will just get rid of any dirt down the toilet, any kind of bits of, lime scale, that sort of thing. But they smell really lovely too. You smell it?
Oh, they do, yeah.
Yeah, don't drink it.
No.
But it's all natural. So citric acid, bicarbonate of soda, and your essential oils. But they really do keep cleaning and keep fizzing away to clean the toilet.
And they're especially good if you live in a household of boys, which I do. They're pretty essential in that case.
Yeah, they do really freshen it up. And then the second one I wanted to show you very quickly is our drain freshener, which is made by the same lady, Herbal Homes, and she's amazing. She lives in Essex in the UK, and she makes this drain freshener, and this is great if you're using natural products and natural soaps, because you will get the suds, and it can start blocking the drains. And I live in an old cottage, and it's just been a nightmare until the lovely April at Herbal Homes created this, and it has sorted out my drains. And not just that, if you get a little bit and clean it round the sink, around the bottom of the shower, it just clears all the suds left. But I just wanted to show you. Now, Charlie, if you hold this.
I'm a bit scared.
And I'm just going to scoop a little bit to show you, because normally you wouldn't, you'd put it down the drain and then add a tiny bit of water in it. You'll see it fizzing away down the drain. But I just wanted to show you in our little experiment. So that's the powder going in. And again, that just fizzes away. You can see it all. Yeah, it has a little explosion. If you have a particularly, as well, dirty toilet, some people message me and, they normally would put bleach down. Put some of the drain cleaner as well down your toilet, and it will get rid of all the stains in a toilet.
And it smells amazing. It is. It's lemongrass.
It's lemongrass. It is absolutely beautiful. And again, all natural, nothing in there that's going to harm the environment, harm you or your family, but it is going to clean out your drains. Yeah. It's so cool, isn't it? It just fizzes away. But yeah, they're two of my favourite must-have at-home products.
Yes, and I just want to tell you. So we have lots of favourite cleaning products.
Yeah.
But this is one of the first things that we stocked in Vera-Bee, and still remains one of our favourites to this day, and that is our cleaning soap bars. So if you can see this one on my right, or probably your left, is that right? Anyway, this one here is our bathroom cleaning bar, and this one here is our kitchen cleaning bar. Now, they're essentially the same, except that the bathroom cleaning one is tea tree and eucalyptus, and the kitchen cleaning one is lemon and thyme, and this one smells incredible.
Well, everyone that ever comes to see us, they can smell these before.
Yeah, and they
even
say, what
the
is
postman.
that?
Yeah, the postman's like, oh,
it's these ones.
Give us a sniff.
So these are made in the UK. They're made in Devon, and they essentially are an SLS free soap with base. And then they have their essential oils in, and then they have a fine grade pumice stone, and that's what does the work. So the kitchen one, which has the lemon and thyme, they're both antibacterial, fungal, yeah, and antiseptic.
Yeah.
And the lemon and thyme one, which is the kitchen one, kills salmonella and E. coli as well. So it's great for using in your kitchen where you're cooking maybe with chicken or eggs.
Yeah, and you can use it to wash your hands after you've touched.
Yeah, you can. So you can, but also, so these guys, they're so easy to use. So basically, they look like this. And if you have a wet surface, so for example in your kitchen sink, or in your bathroom, your bathtub, you just rub this directly on to your surface. And it's amazing because the fine grade pumice in it takes off any sort of marks that are on your sink or bath. And I use it in my bath because I bath my children all the time, and they gets a nasty scum ring around the bath, and this takes it straight off. And I also use it with one of our Lifco cleaning pads, which is a plant-based cleaning pad, compostable, and this gives it a little bit of extra scrubby action. Give it a scrub, rinse it off, and if you're cleaning something like a cooker top or a sort of sink which is metal, you can give it a buff with a dry cloth afterwards to make it really extra shiny, and it comes up so beautifully. And the reason sort of we love this product so much and we just continue to stock it is because we keep continuing to sell it, because people who use it buy it again, because it really is one of those products where you're like, especially when you have something really dirty, you're like, oh, it needs chemicals to clean it, I need bleach to clean it. No, you don't. Honestly, this guy does the same job, and it's for very little elbow grease as well.
Yeah.
So if you haven't tried these, I would really recommend them.
They're just multi-purpose as well.
Yeah.
So I mean, I use the kitchen one around the house, and you can use it on your kitchen surfaces, on your stove, your sinks. You know, you can use it if you put it on the sponge. You can use it on your handles in the kitchen to make sure that, you know, they're all antibac clean, but it's all natural.
Yeah.
So there's no chemicals. There's been no harm to family members.
I left my one in the bathroom, and my partner decided that he was going to use it to wash himself, and did for about a month until I realised what he was doing. And I did say to him, "You meant that's my cleaning soap," but he did have very soft skin, so we don't recommend it for washing yourself with. But he likes it and now continues to use it. But there you go.
Yeah, but they're just a great swap and multi-purpose, and it's just, you know, they are just simply a lovely, you know, they're heavy soap bar. They will last you a really long time as well, and they do. The lemon and thyme, well, both of them, and the tea tree eucalyptus, but I can't stop smelling them. But the postman, when he comes, he likes to have a sniff.
Yeah, smell these. Yeah, it's a bit strange, but it's okay, isn't it? We like the postman.
Yeah.
But yeah, and as you would expect, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, and they come packaged completely plastic-free. No nasty chemicals. Can't really go wrong with these. So if you haven't tried them already, do give them a try.
Yes. We absolutely love them. And if you have got to the end of the video, your surprise is you get 10% off. So if you're not a subscriber and you've watched this video,
well done.
Well done. And your medal is 10% off. So we've got 10% off our eco-friendly cleaning products. So at checkout, use the code ECOCleaning10, all one word, ECOCleaning10, and you'll get 10% off.
And 10 is the number 10, not the word 10.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, 10. Yeah, ECOCleaning10. There you go.
Thank you.
We'll be back tomorrow with some more eco-friendly cleaning products.
We will. Okay, until then.
See you then. Bye.